out and make it twice and stuff. Man, she's shotgun. I got a Mexican shotgun on the trailer.
I got 20.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I got
Stand by.
Back when I worked in the outhouse. Logan chief.
Alright, if you're finished now, Logan, so clear.